So we have a question here, will AI replace doctors, no? Hindi ako expert in the medical field and I don't use it, but sa palagay ko lang, no, maybe not, no? Pero gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo something amazing that AI is doing in the healthcare industry now, no? So, hi everyone, welcome back to Talyer AI. This is G, where I teach Pinoys everything about AI from beginners to advanced. So, let's go. Ayan, so this is Hero Arm by Open Bionics. Isa siyang AI-driven, 3D printed, and affordable na prosthetic na pwede mabalik yung paggagalaw ng kamay, no, at independence ng mga nawalan ng kamay, no. Ito yung isang bagay na dati imposible, ngayon posible na because of AI. Let's go back to the question again. So, will AI replace doctors, no? So, this example na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina of this technology goes to show, or at least it's a proof na yung AI is here not to replace us, but to assist us, no? And especially in the case of healthcare, it's a collaboration now between AI and us human beings, no? So, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, you like it, please follow me for more and follow Talyer AI and let's explore AI together. Until the next video, kita-kits tayo.